I have made over 34,000 naira from this platform called Corewealth. I'm going to go to my withdrawal history and show you all my withdrawal records. Now, if I scroll down here and click withdrawal history, this is withdrawal history. Alright, so as you can see, this first one here is 12,814 naira. And as you can see, the status is confirmed. This second one is 17,915 naira and the status is confirmed. This third one here is 5,800 naira and the status is what? Confirmed. As you can see, if you calculate this and this, it is over 34,000 naira. So guys, as you can see, this platform called Corewealth is currently paying massively. If you have not registered, this is the best opportunity for you to register and start making money every 24 hours. What you basically do on this platform to make money is simple. All you need to do is to put in your investment capital, and every 24 hours you will get your return on investment automatically, right? So you are not doing any task on this platform. If you are really serious about making money online, I will show you exactly how to create an account on this platform. So for you to sign up on this platform, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you should do is to enter your full name here. Enter it as it is in your bank account. Then enter your email address here. After that, you enter your phone number. You must start from the first 0, right? You must start from the first 0. That is 080 or 070 as the case may be. Then do not touch anything here. Leave it as it is. Do not touch anything here. Then create a password you are going to be using to log into your account, right? So once you have filled in all these details, you click sign up. Sign up now. You click sign up now. Once you click sign up now, your account will be created instantly. Now that you have seen how to create an account on this platform, let me show you the different plans you can actually go for, right? So once you create your account, come to products. This is products. Click on products and you will see different products you can purchase. For instance, this first one, which is Corewealth 1, the price is just 3,000 naira and that is the least. And it is going to run for 32 days. Daily income you receive is 960 naira. And at the end of the 32 days, you are going to receive total of 30,720 naira. This is Corewealth 2. The price is 5,000 naira. It is going to expire in 32 days. Daily income is 1,600. At the end of the 32 days, your total income will be 51,200 naira. Then this is Corewealth 3. This one will cost you 10,000 naira. 32 days. Then daily income 3,200. At the end of the 32 days, your total income will be 102,400 naira. If I keep scrolling down, you see other ones here. This is 4. This is Corewealth 4. The price is 20,000 naira. Daily income is 6,400. This is Corewealth 5. It will cost you 40,000 naira. And daily income for this is 12,800 naira. This is Corewealth 6. It will cost you 50,000 naira. Daily income is 16,000 naira. And at the end of the 32 days, you are going to earn total of 512,000 naira. So if you scroll down, you see other products you can actually purchase. Now that you have seen some of them, the next thing you should do right now is to deposit money in your account, right? So before you deposit money, you have to check these products and know the one you want to go for. For instance, if you want to go for the first one, that means you are going to deposit 3,000 naira. If you want to go for the second one, you are going to deposit 5,000 naira. If you want to go for the third one, you are going to deposit 10,000 naira, as the case may be. So this is how you can deposit. Go to your home page again. From your home page, you are going to see wallet, which is this one here. So click on wallet. Once you click on it, you are going to see an account number specifically for your account, right? So you are going to make the payment directly to this account. You are going to see on your own dashboard. Once you make the payment, it is going to automatically reflect in your dashboard. Now, once you have seen the money in your dashboard, next thing you're going to do is to click the product again. If you deposited 3,000 naira, you come to this first one and click this buy button. If you deposited 5,000 naira, you come to this second one and click buy. If you deposited 10,000 naira, you come to this third one and click buy. The same thing applies to other products. I hope this is very clear, right? Now, once you have deposited and purchased a product, the next thing you should do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal. Simply click profile right here. Once you click profile, you are going to see withdrawal account setup. Alright, so from there you can set it up, and that is all. If you want to make a withdrawal, you can simply click withdraw here and make your withdrawal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, click the like button and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload more videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. If you want to send me a message on WhatsApp, you will see my WhatsApp link in the video description. And again, if you want to join my Telegram channel, you are also going to see the link in the video description.